Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another DIY my rubbish video today. Today I am turning bean cans into candles. Loving recycling things this year into things that can be reused. I asked all my pals to save up their cans and I decided to recycle them, and I have made some wood wick soy candles today, and you can check out and see how I made them. If you are new, you know the drill. Hit the sub button so you don't miss me on YouTube and you don't lose me. I'm gonna get straight into the DIY, so let's get into it. So you are going to need some bean cans. Don't worry if you don't have any cans, because you can also reuse some old glass jars as well. But bean cans are so easy to get your hands on. I allowed mine to soak in some warm soapy water because it just made it easy to get any of the labels off, and any of that glue residue came off really easy. For my candles, I'm using some soy wax because I had used paraffin in the past and I think that the soy is a bit more eco-friendly. I'm also using some wood wicks just because I wanted to try something different. I got all my stuff off Amazon and I'm just using my measuring jug to measure. Using a homemade double boiler, I melted a pound of wax. I ended up making a few batches of these, but I melted a pound of wax at a time. While my wax was melting, I decided to pop my wicks into the tins, and I'm just using my glue gun to glue the base of the wicks in, and this is just going to stop it from moving when I'm pouring the melted wax in. I decided to make some citronella and peppermint scented candles because I want to use these outside in the garden. I just think they'd be great for summertime. To get a scent in your candles, so I applied, per 1 pound of melted wax, I put 2 tablespoons of oil into it. And last year when I made candles, I miscalculated the essential oils and I didn't have a strong scent. So the 2 teaspoons to a pound definitely works, and I have a nice, it's not an overpowering scent, but I can definitely smell it. I decided to recycle. You will notice this fabric if you saw my dress DIY where I chopped up an old dress and I turned it into some new items. So I wanted to reuse the fabric. So I am simply using the fabric. I'm cutting it to size. I'm going to fold a hem on either side, and I am simply wrapping it around the tin, and then using my glue gun, my trusty glue gun, I am going to stick it all together, which you're going to see me do now. This is a great way of using up old fabric. You could also paint these, decoupage them, spray paint them. You could do so much. But I just had some fabric scraps left over and I just wanted to use them up. So that is my candles. You may notice this fabric from my video where I chopped up an old dress and I turned it into a skirt, a pouch and a headband. I wanted to reuse the scrap fabric because I just adore this fabric print. So the fabric is actually off an old dress. So like everything has been recycled. I made a video last year where I made teacup candles and I used paraffin wax and the string wicks. I don't know what the technical term is, the normal kind of wicks. I have to say the soy wax 100 million times better. I love how it even feels on your skin. The scent is better. So my second time around making candles was much better. It was more of a success. The teacup candles I made, I don't think I put enough essential oils in, whereas I searched online and I got proper measurements, and these smell really good. I'll also keep you posted on the wood wick. I just wanted to use something different, so I'll let you know kind of on the burn time, but these are pretty big candles, so hopefully I get decent burn time out of them. If you liked this video, I've got a playlist, DIY My Rubbish. I think there's about 4 or 5 videos in it now where I've recycled all things throughout the year and turned them into new things, which is giving me such a buzz at the moment. I'm being very thrifty, but it's fun. Before I say goodbye, I have to say a massive just thank you for the support in my YouTube comments, because the past kind of month, like, I always make time to kind of dive in and reply and leave hearts. I love the sense of community in the comments, but it's rare that I have to, you know, kick someone out, so to speak. It's where I have to moderate any kind of, you know, negativity. So thank you so much, because I see the same people popping up, and even when new subbies pop by, you know, the support is amazing. So I just wanted to say that I have noticed that, you know, as my channel has grown, you would expect, you know, a little bit of, you know, whatever. But no, you guys are the best, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. And on that note, I'm off. I will catch you next week. Next week, you guys are getting a travel video, because I will be off on holiday. You can check out my Instagram to get a sneak peek of where I'm going, but next week you're gonna get a nice travel video. But don't worry, I have a whopper painting project. The item is arriving today, so I'll keep you posted. You can catch me on Instagram on stories if you want to get sneak peeks during the week. Right, that's it. See you all next time. Bye.